Rontrades, and we're back with another trading breakdown weekly video. Today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over the trade setups that I took for this week, May 9th, 2022. I'm going to be going over the setups that I took. I took two setups this week, guys, which were very profitable. Eurusd and Nas100. These two setups got me 2-0 for this week, so I had a very profitable week. Right here, guys, this is a demo account. You guys can see FTMO free trial. Right here, free trial. This is not real money, guys. This is not real money, okay? It's a free trial. This is what we're doing to warm up to take the 100K challenge. So right here, guys, you can see US100 is going to be the first setup that we go over. I took a buy, 0.75 lot, US100, Nas100 price. I got in at 12258.70. And obviously you can see the fake profit, guys. It's fake, not real, fake money. Okay, I'm not here to boost or show off money. I'm not that type of guy. This is fake money. This is not real at all. This is demo. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the charts. All right, so right here, guys, we got Nas100, US100. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I was looking for and what I was seeing. So right here, guys, 3-minute time frame. I took this setup out of my trading time zone. I took this setup around midnight. I usually never take setups that late. So I kind of did break my rules on this setup. But it looked too good. I'm being honest. This setup just looked a little too good for me to miss, right? So right here, guys, we had profitable sellers in the market, right? Profitable sellers right here. Everyone's profiting off this sale right here, right? So think about it like this. If you see this big drop like this, what are you saying? Oh, this is a downtrend. And what do we have? We have an imbalance here. We got a order block here. So the sellers that can't switch over, or the people that can't, change their bias when the market is telling them to, they got absolutely flooded right here on this setup. Because as price ran up here, a lot of people started to sell again after the market already has made the move. That's the thing, guys. The market, let me make this bigger so you guys can see what I'm talking about. There we go. Now it's bigger so you guys can see exactly. Okay, and it got back smaller. All right, 1 second, guys. Trading view is acting a little funny, and it's still acting funny. Okay, and it's still acting funny. Okay, guys, I'm trying to make the screen bigger, but for some reason my trading view is, there we go. Okay, cool. So right here, guys, you can see we have profitable sellers in the market. A lot of people took sales off here. So when price comes back here, what are you expecting? Just off pure logic, what are you expecting if price come back here? You're gonna expect another sale, right? That's what an average trader thinks. I'm thinking, hey, yeah, if we're gonna have sellers flooding the market here, I'm gonna try to counterparty with a buy to go take out buy side liquidity. Because remember, guys, we're not here to listen to this. You gotta understand this, guys. And I'm talking like this because I look at my YouTube family as a real family. Guys, the market does not want to see us succeed. You have to have that mindset. So when you're looking for a position, 9 times out of 10, probably the opposite is going to happen. And that's just what it is. It's called manipulation. Before the actual move happens, because you're going to see manipulation. And this is exactly what we're seeing here. We had profitable sellers in the market. Price returned back here during midnight. We had people trying to sell again off the imbalance, off the bearish order block, right? So right here, my entry was this. I looked at it like this. Okay, price here. We had displacement here. This is the first displacement. Price ran here. Broke, right? Displacement, right? Price ran up here again, took out this buy side liquidity here, and look at the aggressive run we got. We got an aggressive run through it. Price comes back, fair value gap entry, and right here it was sloppy, guys. This wasn't the most beautiful setup. Price went up here and it stalled out. It stalled out overnight. I didn't hit TP until right here when buy side liquidity got swept, which was right here on this candle at 1:30 in the morning. So this trade setup was hit. TP was hit at 1:30 a.m. in the morning. Like I say, I'm usually not trading at that time. I do trade London session, but for me to answer on this setup here, I did break my rules, which I'm definitely going to go over and see, exactly why did I do that. But like I say, it was a profitable trade setup, so I'm not with too much complaining. So Nas100, guys, once again, quick summary for the setup. We had shorts here. We had people still in shorts. Price returned back up here. People are now looking for the same exact reaction right here to happen again. I'm going to counterparty that and look for the opposite to happen, because 9 times out of 10, that's good. That's what's going to happen. Why is that going to happen? Because everybody that read the books, every new trader is like, oh yeah, price just did this move here and it's back in the same zone. It's gonna do the same exact thing. That's not the way to think. So I'm literally counterparting everything that that thinking, if that makes sense. I'm not trying to sound like a genius or a, you know, some guru. I just study ICT a lot, so I'm looking for these manipulation moves and these counterparty moves that happen once we get a lot of sellers greedy right here. A lot of people got greedy here, guys. You got to understand, a lot of sellers right here, they were selling. Price went down for a little bit, but then it came right on back to them to take out their stop loss. Right up to what? What did they come to? Buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity. Profitable sellers are still in the market. We have to go up here and take them out. That's exactly what happened. So that's a Nas100 setup, guys. Like I say, I'm proud of this setup, but I'm not proud of the way how I broke my rules. So yeah, that's what it is. Profitable trade though. Let's go ahead and go to Euro-USD for our next breakdown. Okay, so we got Euro-USD here. We can go to the 15-minute time frame because that's why I actually entered off of. You guys have already seen this setup on my YouTube channel, but I'm just going to go over it a little bit more because I had some people in the comment section asking me questions about what is displacement. So first of all, guys, displacement is when you see the market makes aggressive runs through a zone break structure, change of character, if you want to call it that. Displacement, you can call it whatever you want, guys. It's literally the same thing. Change of character, displacement is all the same thing. People just say different things. I call the displacement when price runs right through here aggressive. It has to be aggressive though. You have to actually see price running through it very aggressive, right? Price ran up here aggressive. Is price just going to keep going up, or is it going to retrace? Yes, it's going to retrace. Where is it going to retrace to? Well, right here we had a what? A bullish order block. And this trade was taken at 11 o'clock. Price ran up here during London. So right here, this move here, all this right here, that's highlighted. Let me delete this out of the way. Get this out of the way. So everything here that's highlighted, this was London. Well, let's see. Hold on, wait. Right here. London. Basically, yeah. So I got a little bit of 8 o'clock in there, but you guys get what I'm trying to say. All this move here started during London. So we had buyers in the market from London, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. But it's the market just going to continue to keep going up without making a deep retracement, knocking out buyers, right? So I was expecting price to do a little drop to scare the weak buyers. What I mean by weak buyers are people that's long here. If you was long, let's say if you was just long here. If you was long, if you took a buy position right here during London, this was at 6:15. So you can enter right here off this red line. That's your entry, right? If you enter here and price rally back up, do you want to see price come back down here? No. You don't want to see that. That's going to scare you. And if it comes back down and hits you out, that's you're probably going to say, yeah, this is going in a downtrend. Or this is going to go down. Or this is a reversal. Right? So I seen as I was like, hey, yeah, we got buyers here in the market. We have people that's moving their stop loss up to break even from London. Price rallies up, makes them profitable. But for the ones that want to hold to capture this move here, the big move that happened, you have to be able to weather this. You can't get scared here. Price literally runs right back down, and it shows downward momentum. This looks like a reverse or whatever you want to call it. Price runs right down until what? The last down close candle, which is a what? A bearish order block. I mean a bullish order block. Why is this a bullish order block? This is a bullish order block because we have displacement. That's the first check off. We have clear displacement, right? Am I right or wrong? Displacement here, here, and off this candle here. We have an imbalance. Where's the imbalance at? Right here off this candle. First imbalance, second imbalance. So that's your second check off. Are we bullish? Yes. Why are we bullish? London has already showed us what we're trying to do. If you guys didn't know, London session is kind of like an appetizer. London session showed you what the market is likely going to do during New York and for the rest of the day. So if we buy during London, you must be able to weather the retracement during New York, but you still have to keep your bias bullish. You can't change your bias just because you see New York going down. So that's how I think. So I was like, hey, yeah, London already done showed us that we're trying to go higher. So I need to wait for this retracement, and it came right down to the what? Bullish OB. Price taps in here, stop loss. People was asking me, what are your stop loss go then, bro? Right, just put your stop loss right here. If it get hits, it get hits. It's trading. We all lose. Let's not act like we're perfect here. Everyone lose. I lose. I show you guys when I lose. My stop loss was right here. Price came down, tapped the bullish order block wick, and it went up and hit buy side liquidity. I was targeting right here. Why am I targeting right here? Because we had sellers here in the market. As you can see, price rallied down. So that means we left some sellers here. Price rallies right back down here to the bullish order block. I'm already bullish. Displacement, imbalances. I'm taking this setup every time. I don't care if I lose or win. I'm taking it every single time I see a setup like this. It's got to be taken. Price. I take the entry. Price runs up. Buy side liquidity. And let me go ahead and show you the proof because I don't want anybody to say, oh, he's just talking. Here you go right here. Eurusd, May 9th, 2022. Buy. 25 lot. I think I entered like a 1% lot, so that's like a 10.00, and I was just taking profits. I was just taking profits right here. 50 lot. I was taking profits. 2.5 lot, 1.5 lot. You see it right here. So that's what's my week, guys. Very profitable week in the markets. 2-0. Nice setups I took. I didn't trade after. I didn't take a setup after Monday. So really, yeah, I really only traded one day. I took both of these setups in the same day. So Eurusd, and I took Nas100 setup on Monday, and that was really it for my week. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions for me, just like I say, feel free to DM me on Instagram, or just drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll definitely get to you guys' question. Like I always say, make sure you guys trade safe, and catch you guys next video. Peace.